Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm doing a full review of Heropost, a social media management tool that promises to do it all. From scheduling and AI content creation to analytics and biolink management, Heropost is trying to be your one-stop solution. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. Before we dive in, you can try Heropost completely free using my special link in the description. Heropost is a platform built for creators, brands, and agencies. It supports all major platforms including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Telegram, Reddit, and even Google My Business. The interface is clean and dark themed, perfect for working long hours without eye strain. At the top, you'll see the main tabs: Post, Schedules, Insights, and Monolink. On the left, you'll find drafts and post creation options. And to the right, you get a preview panel to see exactly how your content will appear when published. Here's how to use Heropost step by step. Step 1. Sign up. Use the link in the description to sign up for the Heropost free trial. That way you unlock full access to the tools right away. Step 2. Connect your accounts. Go to your dashboard and connect your social media platforms. Heropost supports Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. Step 3. Create a workspace. You can set up workspaces to keep different brands or projects organized. This is really helpful if you manage clients or multiple businesses. Step 4. Schedule content. Go to the content calendar, create a post, upload your image or video, write the caption, or even generate it with Heropost's AI, and then choose which platforms it should be posted to. You can schedule posts for the future or add them to a queue. Step 5. Analyze performance. After your posts go live, you can head to the analytics section to see how they performed. Things like engagement, clicks, impressions, and more. The scheduler gives you a monthly and weekly calendar view. You can drag and drop posts, edit them on the fly, or duplicate them with a click. It makes batch content planning extremely easy. Next up is Insights. Although it's in beta, it currently supports Facebook and Instagram, and more platforms are being added. You can track engagement, reach, and follower trends over various periods. Just make sure your accounts are connected properly. Heropost also includes Monolink, which is their version of Linktree. It allows you to create a customizable bio link with your most important content, links, and CTAs. Perfect for Instagram or TikTok bios. From the workspace dropdown, you can access automations, beta, to automate your social media post, media library, to manage your images and video files you've uploaded to Heropost, watermark tools, and posting groups. These are useful for teams managing multiple brands or clients. Pros. Here's what I like about Heropost. Clean, fast UI. Supports 12+ platforms, built-in AI caption generation, post preview panel, link in bio tool, automations, and advanced workspace features. Cons. Insights are still in beta and limited. Some features like automation may need refining. No direct support for dynamic video resizing or repurposing like repurpose.io. So, is Heropost worth it? If you're looking for a solid all-in-one platform to manage, schedule, and track your content, then yes. It's sleek, powerful, and packed with features. Just don't expect deep video repurposing tools like you'd find in repurpose.io. You can try Heropost for free with my link in the description. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives like this. See you in the next one.